Today is February 22nd, and what are we doing again?
We're doing Ryan!
Yes, and what are we counting down to?
To my birthday!
Awesome sauce. Which one are you going to open today?
I feel these ones, these two are four.
Okay, we're only doing one today.
Okie dokie.
All right, let's go. Okay, let's see.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What do you have?
I do not know.
Open it up.
Oh my god! Oh my god, he looks nice. He almost looks like the cowboy one.
Ooh, show it to your Pacers. Nice.
Literally, yeah.
I know. Hold on, let me get the sheet.
Okie dokie.
Alrighty, Pacie, I've got the sheet. Can you hand me that, Ryan? Let's see who we
Can
are.
I help you?
Ooh, he is. Yeah, what is it?
Tennessee!
Tennessee. Very good. Alrighty.
Tennessee!
Yeah. Is there anything else you want to tell your Pacers before we go?
I hope tomorrow I get the Ryan, the cowboy one.
All right.